Press this bell icon to go beyond school.
Hello everyone, welcome to episode 1 of our new series, English Vocabulary for Grade 4. The first word for today is accurate, ac-cu-rate, characterized by perfect conformity to fact or truth. Address, ad-dre-s, the place where a person or organization can be found. Afford, afford, have the financial means to do something or buy something. Alert, alert, warn or arouse to a sense of danger. Analyze, analyze, break down into components or essential features. Ancestor, ancestor, someone from whom you're descended. Annual, annual, occurring every year. Apparent, apparent, clearly revealed to the mind or the senses or judgment. Appropriate, appropriate, suitable for a particular person, place or situation. Arena, arena, a large structure for open-air sports or entertainments. Arrest, arrest, take into custody. Ascend, ascend, travel up. Assist, assist, give help or be of service. Attempt, attempt, make an effort. Attentive, attentive, taking heed. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time for episode 2.